Hey guys, so today I am showing you this beautiful pink makeup look. This is a nothing over $15 makeup tutorial. I've done a couple of these videos and I will link them in the IO for you guys. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please subscribe before you leave and let's just get started. Okay, so I'm going to first I'm going to use my Physicians Formula Pigment Base, and this one is $5, and I'm just going to apply that on my eyelid, and then I'm going to use my e.l.f. Flawless Concealer Brush to blend in that shadow primer. For my eyeshadow palette, I'm going to use the LA Girl Keep It Playful eye palette in Playmate, and I'm going to take this nude shade right here and apply that in my inner corner and brow bone area to set it, so that nothing moves. And it all just stays set. And then I'm gonna take this shade right here. It's like a, I don't know, it's like a light pinky kind of shade. And I'm going to use my AOA Studio E126 brush and just blend that in my crease. I'm going to use the AOA Studio E130 brush and this shade right here, just to kind of deepen up the eyeshadow on the outer corner of the eye. Kind of just pack it on that outer corner area and blend it into the crease very lightly. And then go back with the first shade and blow that out a little bit more. That looks good. And then I'm going to take my Morphe M421 brush and this shade right here is this light pinky color. It's really pretty, and I used it on my last video, but I've just been obsessed over these eyeshadows. These eyeshadow palettes, they're so good. I'm going to spray it with my Nyx Bear With Me spray. It's just in a different bottle. And apply that on my eyelid. I'm going to take the AOA Studio E122 brush and this pink shade in the center right here. And then I'm going to apply that on the more like outer lid area. Kind of bring it into the outer corner as well a little bit, just to help blend everything. and blend it into the lighter pinky color. Just like that. And I'm going to take that lighter pink on my finger and apply that inner portion again to brighten up that shade, make it more vibrant. I'm gonna take this shade right here. It's kind of like a metallic, kind of glittery kind of shade. It's really pretty, and I'm gonna apply that right on top of that pink shade, the lighter pink again. And it just intensifies it and makes it even more bright. And I'm gonna take that smaller brush again and take this shade and just darken up the outer corner again a little bit, because I feel like it's lacking with the deepness out there. And I take that shade in the center again and intensify the outer lid shade a little bit. Okay, so then moving on to my face, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Cookies and Dreams Just the Cream Putty Primer, and this is just an amazing primer. I absolutely love it. Just smooths out my face so well. And I'm going to use my Milani Supercharged Dewy Primer and apply this on my face just for some hydration. Use my UOMA Beauty by Sharon C. Flawless in Real Life Skin Perfecting Foundation, and I'm going to use a pump of that and just dot that onto my face. I'm going to use my e.l.f. Total Face Sponge just to blend that in. And I'm going to use my L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer, and I'm going to apply that on my acne spots. My T-zone and on my under eyes, I have to use my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer because it's just the best concealer ever on my skin. And then I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder to set my face. I'm just going to do what I always do and press that down all over my face. bronzer, I'm going to use my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and bronze up my face. Blush, I'm going to use the Butter Blush in Natural Glow. I'm going to use my Milani Stellar Lights Highlighter Palette in the color Pearl, and I'm going to highlight my face with that. And I'm using my DUcare highlighting brush. And I'm also going to use that to highlight my inner corner. My lips look absolutely crazy right now. I'm going to do my brows, and I'm going to use my UOMA Beauty by Sharon C. One and Done 2-in-1 Brow Styler. First, I'm just going to fill them in with the pencil. And then I'm going to go in with the brow gel side. Nope, that's not the brow gel side. And I'm going to set them with that. Oh, my brows actually don't look so bad. Okay, so then I'm going to finish up the rest of my eyeshadow, and I'm going, my eyes, and I'm going to use my NYX Epic Wear Liner Stick in Pure White on my waterline. And then for mascara, I'm going to use my e.l.f. Big Mood Mascara. Then I'm going to use my Kiss Lash Glue Liner. This is the black one, and I'm going to do a very thin line just to pop on my lashes. And then I'm going to pop on my Kiss So Wispy Lashes in number 11. And then for lips, I'm going to use my Covergirl Outlast Ultimatte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Yay Rosé. And this is my favorite liquid lipstick formula. It's the best. It's not drying, and it's completely kiss proof. And I just love it so much. So this is the completed nothing over $15 makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!